What's up, everybody? So you got your brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max and you want to protect the screen. Let's check out the JETech tempered glass screen protectors with privacy built in and see if it's worth it. I don't know about you, but whenever I get a new phone, one of the first things I always do is get a good screen protector to keep the phone in top shape so that when I get my next phone, I can sell this phone for as much as possible. I've never used JETech before, but it was $10 for two of them. I figured I'd give it a try. Some of the features they talk about here: ultra clear, so hopefully I can see through it pretty well. 9-inch hardness, which is pretty darn hard, so it should protect the phone screen, and it should resist scratching itself, because who wants to look through a screen protector that's all scratched up? So if you got your keys in your pocket, it shouldn't beat them up. And again, it says tempered glass. They're showing a crack thing there, so maybe it's crack resistant, scratch resistant, and highly responsive. All that really means is that the protector shouldn't get in the way of you actually using the phone. All right, so right away I like the packaging. There's two screen protectors in here, and I like that they take the pre-application steps and separate them out so that in 6 months when this screen is shot and you go to put the next one on there, you don't have to dig through a pile of stuff. You have two different piles separated out, so that's good. I'll get points right there. Product warranty, I guess we can go through all that. I think it has a 30-day, 12-month. Look at that, 12-month protection. Definitely want to read into that a little bit more and find out what that's all about. Application instructions. It basically shows you to clean it first and then flop it on from the side. I'm going to give that a try. Okay, so there's two in here. A lot of the screen protectors now come with like a tray to lay it in, which would have been cool here, where you can take the phone and put it in there and then, take the screen protector and get it all ready and like flop it onto the screen so it gets perfectly aligned. But this doesn't have that. But for $10, you can't really knock them too bad. So clear some of this stuff out and take a look. So we got the first screen protector here. Before we get into that, let's prepare the screen and clean it all up. You got your chamois or your cloth for cleaning it up. Plenty of stickers. This one is for taking dirt off the screen, which we're going to do in a minute. And this is the hinge they want you to use to put the protector on. I'm probably not going to do that. I'm a bit of a cowboy. We'll just go for it. Got our alcohol wipe here. Get any smudges and grease off first. If I can get into it. Clean that up good. All right, good enough. Let that dry for a second. So if you ever buy a screen protector and it doesn't come with this stuff, like pieces of tape, Scotch tape or masking tape or anything like that, and don't use duct tape, but Scotch tape will work good for pulling any dust off of the screen before you apply the case. Looks pretty good. Let's see what this looks like. All right, so right away you can definitely see it's pretty dark. When you turn it to the side, got that privacy action going on, so you can block the creepers when you're sitting on the train or a taxi or whatnot. It's pretty cool. All right, so we gotta peel this off. Didn't really want to go. I was a little worried about it being dark, but now that I think about it, I always feel like I wish the screen could get darker. So maybe that'll help me out here. I'm going to turn it around and align it via the port up top. Don't do what I'm doing. Follow the instructions. Looks good. Perfect. Slide it over a bit before you press it down. Now with these, you have to press them all down, but before you do that, You can usually slide them a little bit, get them exactly where you want it. Perfect. Give it a press. Looks good. All right, that looks pretty good. Oh, look at that. Blocking the creepers. Boom. Feels good. Definitely responsive like they're saying. Not that I would expect it to be any different. Face ID is still working. Cameras, all good. Yeah, so for 10 bucks, seems pretty perfect. Let's see if my case still fits. Yeah, so it fits on there perfectly with the case. Thanks for stopping by my channel today and checking out this video. I appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know anything else you'd like me to check out and do reviews on. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and a thumbs down if you didn't. And I definitely would appreciate the subscription. Peace.